Hi guys, we're ready to do another math. So it's this one right here, lesson 7, module 16, and it's kind of the wrap up of our shapes. We're gonna be talking about our 2D flat shapes and our 3Ds that kind of pop out in those shapes. So it's kind of comparing the two. So this is a real good time to review that we know our 2D shapes, our flat shapes. So going back to this again, if you still need it. So when you see this shape, you think, oh yeah, I turned this into SpongeBob and he's SpongeBob the SquarePants. This shape, think of SpongeBob, it's called a square. When you see this shape, oh, I know, I can put some wheels on it and turn it into a school bus. And when I hear a school bus coming down the street, its engine's a little loud, so it says, roar. So we turn it into the school bus, it's a rectangle. When I think of this shape, I want to turn it upside down and put some ice cream on it. And every time Mrs. Seichen's around ice cream, she wants to try a lick. Well, this reminds me, it begins with triangle. So this shape, think of ice cream, think I want to try a lick. Oh yeah, it's a triangle. Round as round can be. So a little smiley face, circle, something like that. This one, oh yeah, it kind of reminds me of if it had a stick on it and it was outside and it had the words S-T-O-P, it'd make me think of that stop sign. And when people go through that stop sign in my neighborhood, woo, mom and dad get really upset and they say, hey! Well, guess what? This is a hexagon. So right here, that's the shape, makes you think of the stop sign. We say, hey, stop, or hexagon. So boys and girls, those are all of our flat or 2D shapes, okay? They're flat 2D. But then we went into something called 3D. And we said 3D had another dimension and they kind of popped out. And I'll show you the difference. See how these are? They're not flat. They're 3D. So we'll talk about those right now. So this one is a 3D shape and it's a cube, like an ice cube, like a dice that you play with, like a Rubik's Cube with the colors, like a box that you might put a gift in. It's a cube. This one is called a sphere, kind of like a bowling ball or a basketball or a marble. It's a sphere. This one has a flat end on top and a flat end on bottom, and we call it a cylinder. So it could be like a soup can or a soda can or a candle. It's a cylinder. And then this one, we said it can go on like a party hat, a cone, or in gym, we run around the cones. This is a cone. So these are called our 3D shapes that pop out. At the end, we'll practice if you know the difference between a 2D shape or a 3D shapes and what they are. Let's first start with our question or our math talk. And it says, true or false, are these shapes the same? So I want you to think for a minute. Look at these two shapes. And you're going to say, yes, true, they're the same, or false, they're not the same. These two, and then these two. So we're comparing the ones that are across. And I'll give you some time to think of it, whether you think they're the same or they're not the same. And then we'll talk about it. So I look up here, and first of all, I have to identify the shape. Who knows what shape these are? And I drew them, so they're not great. Did I hear hexagons? You're right. So this is a hexagon. This is a hexagon. This is big and this is smaller. But it didn't ask if they're the same size. It asked if the shapes are the same. So for these two, do they have the same shape? Yes, they do. So this one would be true. They're not the same size, but they're the same shape. All right, so let's go and identify this one. Oh, I noticed that's a 2D flat shape. That's my SpongeBob, that's a square. Oh, immediately that one popped out. That must be a 3D shape. That reminds me of that dice that I play a game, or the Rubik's Cube. Oh, that's got the name in it, cube. So this was a square and this is a cube. Are they the same? No, they're not the same, because one is 2D and one is 3D. So these are not the same. It would be false. All right, let's look at the next one. Oh, that one pops out. It's like that round sphere. And then this one's just flat, the circle. So sphere and circle. They're similar, but are they the same? No, because this one is called a 3D shape and this one is called a 2D shape. All right, so this one would be false. All righty. Before we start this paper, let me mix up these. There's some 2D, some 3D. When I do the shape, I want you to hold up 2 fingers if it's 2D or 3 fingers if you think it's 3D. We won't even name them yet. Just tell me if it's 2D or 3D. All right, ready? This one. What do you have? Did you say it's a 2D shape? It's a flat shape, 2. How about this one? 3D. It pops. This one, 2D. This one, 3D. This one, 2D or flat shape. This one, 3D. 2D. 2D. All right, so now the first time through, we just told if it was 2D or 3D. Now let's see if you can name the shape. I want to hear the name of it, right? What's this one? Rectangle. This one, sphere. This one, circle. This one, cylinder. This one, triangle. This one, square. This one, hexagon. This one, cube. All righty. So now get this paper out. If you need to pause it and go get it, go ahead. We can do it right now and you can get this work done when we're working on this paper. So it says, circle the flat or 2D shapes. Okay, I can go around if they're flat or they're 2D, I'm gonna circle it. So you're gonna tell me circle or not circle, this first one. Not circle, that one. Yep, I'm gonna circle it because it's if I can get my cap off, guess I better start working out. It's a 2D or a flat shape. How about this one? Yep, 2D. This one. No, that's that 3D. How about that one? Yep. How about that one? Nope. How about that one? Yep. How about that one? Nope. How about that one? Nope. How about that one? Yep. How about that one? Nope. How about that one? Nope. How about that one? Yes. How about that one? Yes. So boys and girls, we circled all the 2D flat shapes. Okay? Now it says, how are the ones circled different than the ones we didn't circle? Well, the ones circled are 2D or flat, and the other ones pop out, they're 3D. Let's turn the page. Okay, number 2 at the top says, mark an X on the solid or 3-dimensional shapes. So mark an X on solid or 3-dimensional shapes. So just this part up here, we're gonna look for the ones that pop out, the 3D, and it didn't say circle, it says put an X. So are we gonna put an X on that one? No, it's flat. How about that one? Yep, it's that cylinder and it pops out. How about that one? Nope, that's flat. How about that one? Nope, that's flat. How about that one? Nope, that's flat. How about that one? Yeah, that's that sphere, that rounded. How about that one? Cube. Yep. How about that one? Cone. Good. So for this one, we X'd out the 3D shapes. Let's look at the bottom. It says color the solid shape. Tell the classmates how the shapes are alike and different. Well, if we looked up here, it says mark an X on the solid or three-dimensional shapes. So solid means the same as 3D. So which one down here is 3D, the first or the second? Did you say the second one was 3D? So they want you to color it. I'm gonna just do a quick shade. You can be shading it too. We just shaded the solid shape or the 3D shape. Very good. And it's different than this one because this one is a 2D shape and that one's a 3D shape. Okay, let's turn the page. If at any time I'm going too fast, pause it, catch up, and then keep going. Oh, what do we have to do here? It says color the 2D shape or flat shapes. So grab a crayon. I'm gonna too, because my marker's leaking through. You grab a crayon. I will too. All right, I've got a pink crayon and I'm gonna get ready to color what? What did it say we had to color? Well, I'm gonna go back and read it. Color the 2D or the flat shapes. All right, so you're gonna tell me to color or not color. How about the first one? Yep, color it because it's 2D. How about this one? Nope, that's a 3D. How about that one? Yep. How about that one? Yep. And remember, it's just a quick color, so we're not totally taking our time and getting every little bit. How about this one? Yep. We're looking for the 2D shapes. How about that one? Yep. How about that one? No, that's a 3D. How about that one? Yep. How about that one? Yep. How about that one? No. How about that one? Yes. How about that one? No. That one? Yes. How about that one? Nope. 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 Yes. Can you do me a favor and go back and count how many flat shapes you colored? Go ahead and you count, and then I'll check with you. Let's see if you came up with the same number I did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 digits, a 1 and a 0. There were 10 flat shapes here. Now let's count how many were the 3Ds, the one we did not color. Go ahead and count them. How many did you get? I'm gonna count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there were 8 3D. So here's my question. Are there more flat shapes or more 3D shapes on this page? Did you say flat? Because 10 is bigger than, what did I say? 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, 8. All right, let's go on to the next page. This looks like a page that I just did. But guess what? New direction. This time it says color the 3-dimensional or solid shapes. So now we want those 3D that pop, or they're called solid. All right. If you want to pick a different crayon, so you are choosing a different crayon to do the 3D than the 2D, you can. I'll go get mine. Alrighty, so we're looking for the 2D, the ones that pop. Here we go. Do we color this one? Nope. This one? Yes. Go ahead and shade it in. This one? Nope. This one? Nope. This one? Nope. This one? Yes, there's that sphere. It pops. It's called a solid or a 3D. How about this one? Nope. How about this one? Yep. How about this one? Yep. How about this one? Nope. This one? Yep. This one? Yep. This one? Nope. This one? Yep. This one? Nope. This one? Yep. So on this page, we colored what? The 3D shapes. Can you count them? See how many 3D shapes you had? Did you get 7? Did you get 8? Or did you get 9? We'll have to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That crazy 8. All righty. Back page, here we go. This is a review. So number 1 says, what is this called? It's just vocabulary. It's called a square. Then we go down here. Number 1 says, mark an X on the square. So look at the 3 ones. Which one is a square? Did you say the blue one was a square? We had to mark an X on it. Then it says, draw to show the shapes you can use to make the larger red shape. We haven't done a lot with this because you would need to do it in class building. So don't worry about this one as much. But basically, boys and girls, if you took 3 triangles, so this one would be 1 triangle, and then this one would be 2 triangles. They're trying to tell you that 1, 2, 3 triangles could fit into this shape. Don't worry about that one as much. All right, back page, number 3. It says, circle the shape with a curve. Those have straight lines. Those have straight lines. Then the circle must be the curve. And what do I have to do? Circle it. Okay. Number 4, mark an X on the rectangles. Oh, I remember rectangles are the ones that I turned into the bus rectangles. So it says put an X on them. Not going to do that one. Not going to do that one. There's one. X. There's one. X. Nope. 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 So I put an X on my rectangles. And the last one says, mark under the shape that has vertices. What was vertices? Did I hear someone say corners? Okay. Does a circle have any corners? No. Does a hexagon have corners? Yeah, I see them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to bubble that one in because that one has vertices. How about a sphere? Does it have any corners? No. Then in this row, the only one that has it is hexagons. And be sure to put this in your green folder to hand it in to me. Great lesson, guys. See you later.